Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we'll solve sums from NCERT textbook, class 9, chapter 3, the world of numbers. Exercise set 3.2. It's on page number 46. Question 1, 2, 3 and 4. First, we'll go to the question 1. Question 1 says, the temperature in the high altitude desert of Ladakh is recorded at 4 degrees Celsius at noon. By midnight, it drops by 15 degrees Celsius. What is the midnight temperature? At noon, the temperature is 4 degrees Celsius. At midnight, it drops by 15 degrees Celsius. We have to find out what is the temperature at midnight. So, exercise set 3.2. Question 1. The temperature at noon. The temperature at noon was 4 degrees Celsius. The temperature at midnight the temperature drops by 15 degrees. So 4 degrees Celsius minus 15 degrees Celsius. So temperature at midnight will be minus 11 degrees Celsius. So the temperature at midnight is minus 11 degree Celsius. So the first question is solved here. We'll go to the second question. Question 2 says, a spice trader takes a loan debt of rupees 850. The next day he makes a profit, that is fortune, of rupees 1200. The following week he incurs a loss of rupees 450. Write this sequence as an equation using integers and calculate his final financial standing. So first, the trader takes a loan of rupees 850. The next day he makes a profit of 1200. The following week he incurs a loan of 450. So we have to find out his final financial standing. So question number 2. First, he takes a loan of, he takes a loan of rupees 800. So this will be represented as minus 800 because it's a loan. The next day, he makes a profit of rupees 1200. This will represented as plus 1200 because it's a profit. The following week he incurs a loss of rupees 450. This we will represent as minus 450 because it's a loss. Minus 450. So now we will calculate his financial standing. So first he takes a loan of 800, so minus 800. Then he gets a profit of 1200. Then he gets a loss of 450. So this if we calculate, if we solve these two, we will get 350 plus 350 minus 450. At the end, it is minus 100. The financial standing of the trader is he is still in a debt of rupees 100. Still he is in a debt of rupees 100. This is the financial standing of the trader. Now we'll go to the question 3. Question 3. Calculate the following using Brahmagupta's laws. So minus 12 into 5, minus 8 into minus 7, 0, minus 14, minus 20 plus 4. This we have to calculate by using Brahmagupta's laws. So question 3. That the first part minus 12 into 5. Minus 12 into 5 is minus 60. So the law says the product a debt and a fortune is a debt. Is a debt. So it is minus 60. Second one, minus 8 into minus 7. That's equal to so you will get plus 56. So the law says the product of two debts is a fortune. Third one, 0 minus 14. Here we will get plus 14. 0, the law says 0 minus debt is a fortune. Is a fortune. Fourth one, minus 20 divided by 4. So we will get minus 5. A debt divided by a fortune is a debt. Is a debt. So the third question has been solved there. We'll go to the fourth question. The fourth question says, explain using a real world example of debt why subtracting a negative number is the same as adding a positive number. Explain using a real world example of debt why subtracting a negative number is the same as adding a positive number. Question 4. Now, suppose I have rupees 100. Suppose I have rupees 100 and also I have a debt of rupees 25. At present I have rupees 100 and also I have a debt of rupees 25. At this stage, actually I have 100 minus 25, that's equal to rupees 75. At this stage actually I have rupees 75 because I have a debt of 25. Suppose someone clears my debt, then I will have actually rupees 100. So 75 minus 25, this is same as 75 plus 25, that is 100. So here subtracting a negative number is actually adding a positive number. Here we are subtracting minus 25. It is actually adding plus 25 to it. So the fourth question has been solved there. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.